Good afternoon, everybody. One of the things that we want to talk about is the Amazon. When Amazon came down here to $710, this is a call chart. It says so. Amazon hourly candles. This is a call chart. Now, let me ask you all a question. Why do you trade options and you've never seen a call chart or a put chart? And what is it about the retail option trader who never wins in the long run, that is? So basically, we started buying the calls down here and we came up, and this is the hourly candles, and we came straight up here and we hit right about almost 750. Now, this is the actual Amazon hourly candles. Now, let's go ahead, pull this little baby over here, and here we have is November 18th, 725 call on a 30-minute. When we were buying them down here, Amazon had gotten killed, and the put side paid big, big money. And this morning, what we did was on that opening bell is we sold out up here right around $24. You heard me. It's an Amazon November 18th, 725 call option. I showed you the chart, and once again, some of the greatest things that could have ever happened to you is to actually get into the live trading room. Do you really want to learn how to be a market maker in turbo option trading? You can. I know what you go down. I know all the roads you go down. I know all of that retail stuff never works. However, by buying 10 contracts here and selling them at $25 for $25,000 exit, of course, minus your $7 entry on the opening bell. Well, you know what? Life is good, and it is. And once again, we established the low down here, and we started buying the 710s, we started buying the 715s, 725s, we started buying the 730s, and yes, this is that big move off of that bottom, and it was time to go higher. Actually, when you take a look here at this hourly area, you can see right here, this was the last place that Amazon went straight down, and it did. And we can clearly see that. And that was straight down here, and it went down, and the put side of the market for the put side of the 750s, and we have them up there on the site and on the channel. It was time to go long. The sellers were out of the way for now, and it was a great move. It was a great move. And we're talking big profits. One of the things that we do know, if we go ahead, I'll do this. Here we go. When the calls came all the way down from $42.50, it was time to buy the 710 calls. And then we had people in, say you had 10 contracts or 5 contracts. What you really need to know is the following, that these contracts topped out today at $37.39 on the ad opening bell. And we bought them and we sold them in the opening bell. Never hurts to take profits. One of the other things that we'll enjoy showing you is the following. We just want to make sure that everyone understands that when Amazon tanked from $840 all the way down to that $710 mark, this is weekly chart. This is weekly chart. You can see how hard it sold down about $40, and the put side made huge profits. Then once again, we come back over here to the daily chart that was done. Here's that 710, and here's that 7 right below this 750 area. Okay, we've had a big time drawdown. You do the math from 850 down to 710. How many points is that? That means that those put options paid as big as they could pay. And they're on that live entry that we did over this last week. Last week, this week being Wednesday, this week from 710 on the daily, hitting that 749.87. And we look to continue to trade
Market data
Amazon
connection
daily all the
re-established.
way up.